Start giving acupressure from the side of your eyes towards your eyebrows and finish it at the edge of your eyebrows. Second one, the corner of your eyes, give a good pressure for some time. If you can close your eyes, well and good. Next one is a triangular points from the corner of your eyes above your cheekbone and then reach to the side of your eyes or edge of your eyebrows. You can slowly massage in a circular manner, semicircle, till the edge of your eyes. And at the end, you can give a circular pressure at the edge of your eyebrows. With the 3 fingers, you can move upwards towards your hairline from your eyebrows. And you can repeat it several times. Take your index finger and then very gently massage clockwise and anticlockwise above your eyelids. Second one, you can gaze a near and a far object in your eyes for few seconds. Gaze at your thumb for some time and then observe a far object, for example a tree, in your eyes for few seconds. The eyelids and muscles will be relaxed when you focus on a far object. Now the third one is eye wash. Wash your hands. Take 1 handful of water, make a cup of your hand, blink your eyes inside it. Go for the other hand with fresh water again. By doing so, you can get rid of the dirt in your eyes in the early morning and before you sleep. Thank you.